Good morning. So, as you can see, the new day, but the story is just the same. We're very close to the sea. It's so windy. During the night, you saw the first video. It was impossible to sleep. We woke up at 2 a.m. The tent was completely destroyed. We had to attach it again, build it again. It was raining, it was stormy, it was crazy. And we were supposed to be on the cliffs, but we couldn't get there. So we are here. What is this? Do you see how it switched from nice and cozy and sunny to this? Anyway, how do you look? Okay. So we are on the way to Dunkirk, 145 kilometers away. I'm tired, but I'm going. It's now 12 p.m. Okay, we slept for a bit. We still have long distance to go. Most likely we're gonna stop somewhere before Dunkirk, but it really depends. I'm not even sure if it's worth cycling in this rain because we just don't have. Wait a second. Everything is wet, shoes are wet, so I don't know what to do. But what I know is that we need to keep going. So we will give a chance to stop. It's not raining, it's like drizzling, shower. And we will decide what to do. But everything is packed, it's a mess, I know. But sometimes that's just like this. So this morning is crazy. Everything about this trip is crazy anyways. So nothing new, but we're going home. We are about 500 kilometers away, not so much left, so we better enjoy it. And if you want to enjoy it with us, stay tuned and see what happens today. Welcome to the video and enjoy. Yesterday was my favorite day, today's gonna be my second favorite day. If you think that the audio was bad in the first video, this is better. You like it? 5 minutes later. Just perfect weather. Now it's really hot, but it's still better. And we have some nice back wind. That helps a lot. Anyway, it's very windy, so I'm just gonna talk when it's gonna be calm. Okay? Huh?
What, you need to stop?
I said to Rokas, let's stop at Lidl just to buy some good food. No sugar or nothing. Just some good food.
It's no sugar.
Next trip for sure. Okay, it's not that bad.
Tomato. Healthy, right?
Healthy. Go.
'It's empty. It's empty. What is yours? I can finish that one too.
Sun is just amazing. Like it charges our phones, all the batteries, devices, and food. Microwave 2.0. $400, 1,400 kilometers done. Not bad. In theory, 300 kilometers left, but we have a plan a bit bigger than that. So, we're gonna print new t-shirts. Second time in a day. Time to look for another spot to fix it.
Let's go.
Look at this. That's where we're gonna have dinner. Only that yeah, I think that's the place for the tent. Very nice. Just need to pick up those branches, otherwise they're gonna poke holes, but it should be, it's a nice, you know, I don't know how you call it, but like this thing, it's very soft. So how you call it? Moss. So that seems like a nice place to be, and we're gonna have dinner there, sleep here, and that's, I mean, what else do you need? Look at this view. Isn't it amazing? So I think it's a really fine spot. All right, time to training, so it's time to hurry up. Here we are, back in the tent. I thought I never showed you around the tent, like how does it look inside, so I thought it might be a good chance to do it. The management is not yet perfect. We still have to figure out how to place things in the most comfortable way. But basically, I always put my bags over there in a corner, so that way I have space where my head lays, so somewhere around here. Then I have the stuff that I don't need. So for example, raincoat, rain jacket, dirty towel, dirty shorts, everything is there as far away as possible. Wet towels, we always use the wet towels to like a way of like cleaning up, because it really helps to clean, well, private areas, and in general, like the face and hands, and just like, I don't know if it works as a sanitizer, but it really cleans well, especially when you have enough water or shower. Yeah, then I have my GoPro on the side every night where I can reach it and start recording right away. The reason is, the last time when we were in Dunkirk, actually close to Dunkirk, on the beach, and police came, I couldn't prove it. I could just say, yeah, they came, they said that and that, and I don't want that. I want to, when something happens, I want to be able to show, not to tell, not just say that, oh, something happened during the night and here it is. So now on Roca's side, the dinner that we have for today, something American and something Mexican, and vegetables, some tomatoes. Roca, tell about your side. What do you have on your side?
You have the kitchen, Obviously, we don't sleep at night. We need to
Recover.
we need to recover. So a lot of protein, a lot of carbs. Then yeah, this is the rest of the kitchen. Then here I have the cucumber, more kitchen stuff. Then here here are my shorts. So my dirty clothes, I put them here. And then here are more clothes. This is used socks. And that's it. This is how I sleep.
We always try to put our stuff on the side so that we're
Closer. It's cold at night.
yes, that no. Actually, why do we do that? I think it's the easiest.
Because if you sleep next to this, it's very uncomfortable because
Oh, yeah.
you always keep touching it.
Yeah. Also, the bags help to kind of make the space bigger, because when it leans, it pushes the side, and when the wind blows, it doesn't bother us that much. And as you can see, we leave our shoes. There's nothing. Shoes and socks and other things that don't smell good outside. So then inside it's as nice as possible, as nice as it can get after not showering for a while. But yeah, so this is the tour. Now it's time to make some dinner and go to sleep, and I mean do the things that I said, the GoPro stuff, storage and so on. So I thought that Ruckus is gonna help me to prepare some dinner. I thought I would just quickly say that well, this is the end of the day. So we have about 70 something kilometers cycled. It was a great day. We, as always, we enjoyed it. Cycling is nice, it's fun. It's also always fun when you can see something every day, but sometimes you have to, you know, cycle a longer distance to be able to see something. And even though this morning we had to have a nice view, we didn't really. But you know what happened yesterday, if you watched the video. And if you haven't, you really should watch like all of them in order, then it's like nice flow. So it was a great day. The weather is like, to me personally, it's so annoying when it's like it rains 1 minute and then it's sunny another minute, you know. It's like, come on, so make it one way or the other, you know. I'm fine with being sunny all day and I'm fine with being raining all day. It just not changing every 5 minutes, because then you have to stop and change clothes, and you know it's annoying, it takes time, and yeah, it just you know, waste of energy. But besides that, everything I think went well, and no problems with the bikes, everything is good. Yeah, I think it was nice. I think it was a great, really nice day. So we appreciate you. That's it for me. And Rokas, what about you? What would you say?
Nothing.
Folks, I appreciate you being here, and and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.